And now questions are mounting over the fate of Iran's newly appointed supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei amid unconfirmed reports that he may have been secretly flown to Russia for an emergency surgery following injuries sustained in airstrikes. Speculations over the condition of Mojtaba Khamenei is intensifying after reports claim that the Iranian supreme leader was evacuated to Russia for urgent medical treatment. According to Kuwaiti newspaper Al Jarida, Khamenei was flown to Moscow aboard a Russian military aircraft under tight security after suffering serious injuries during early airstrikes linked to the ongoing conflict involving the United States and Israel. The report claims the operation was arranged after Russian President Vladimir Putin personally offered medical assistance. Khamenei was allegedly taken to a medical facility linked to one of Putin's presidential residences in Moscow, where he reportedly underwent surgery on his leg. However, these claims remain unverified and Iranian authorities have not confirmed the reports. Rumors about leader's condition have been circulating for days, especially as Khamenei has not been seen publicly since taking power after the reported assassination of his father, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Some reports claim that the 56-year-old leader may have suffered severe injuries, including the loss of leg and internal damage during an airstrike linked to the military operation dubbed as Epic Fury. Iranian state television recently broadcast a statement attributed to Khamenei, vowing retaliation for attacks on Iran and warning that Tehran would continue its military response, including threats to block the strategic Strait of Hormuz. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump added to the uncertainty, telling reporters that he was unsure whether the Iranian leader was still alive. The lack of verified information has fueled speculation that Iran may currently be operating under a leadership vacuum as the regional conflict continues to escalate. Well, a major development coming in as the shadow prince Mojtaba Khamenei has not yet appeared in public since the war and since becoming the supreme leader. Reports were initially surfacing that he got injured during the US airstrikes. And now reports are coming in that Mojtaba was reportedly flown to Moscow for an emergency surgery which was aided by President Putin himself. Reports are claiming that Mojtaba has lost his leg and is severely injured in the airstrikes.